We outside. Make up for this snacks. Oh wow, yeah, she's nice.
Yeah, so we got this.
Yo, he's amazing.
We got a good team. I think I know what you're talking about.
What you about to say? She African.
Are you trying to get the rolls, everybody?
Got you. I'll show you the mic, please.
Okay.
Oh, don't touch this. No. No. Oh, no. I got references. Now, wake up. Start like either where am I or what day is it? No.
He is not playing with you. I'm gonna go back and forth with you.
Arch your back. Arch.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Come on, Sorry.
What the heck?
I'm like, Alright, Miss BBB, and we just finished up shooting at the Art Museum with the first team of the Creative Flex competition. Team Genesis of the Gemini. How do y'all feel?
Hey, we
They was bomb. They was bomb. So the other teams, y'all got some competition out here. They came ready. They came ready to flex what they got, and they about to head to the second part of their shoot. They bringing the heat. So let's keep it going.
Second location, second model. She's getting ready. We're at the studio now. Yes!
Long day.
So y'all, I have finally made it home. It's literally like midnight. I started getting my makeup done at what time, Mom?
At 5 o'clock.
No, yeah, 5 o'clock. So today has been a day, but it was bomb.com. Okay, I got all my little shots in. I had an amazing time, literally. Like, I'm just so blessed and so grateful to be doing what I love.
I'm tired.
I'm very tired, actually, but I wanted to wrap this up before I start, you know, taking myself apart. But yes,
God is good.
Today was a success. And like I said, I'm just feeling so blessed. Y'all gotta stay tuned, because you never know what's coming next. Okay.
It's a great time for new beginnings.
Into that. I think that's all I have to say. I will catch y'all in the next one. Okay. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you won't miss when I post. And I will catch y'all in the next one. SNAP-SydniJolie out.